Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Many of you have requested me to show on how to do Ratna Neeru Arati and how to do this for Varma Lakshmi Vratam. So that is why I thought of making this video for you all so that I can show you some of the rituals associated with Ratna Neeru Arati and when to do it and how to do it and what to do after Ratna Neeru Arati. So if you also want to learn this ritual, then please don't miss to watch this video till the end. First and the foremost thing that you need to keep in mind is that we usually do Ratna Neeru Arati towards end of the day during Varma Lakshmi festival, or otherwise we do it just before we dismantle the Varma Lakshmi Kalash. This time Varma Lakshmi Vratam has come on a Friday, so we are not supposed to dismantle the Kalash either on Tuesdays or Fridays or during Hunnime or during Amavasya. Okay. Hence, we should not be dismantling the Varma Lakshmi Kalash today, which happens to be a Friday. So what we need to do is, we need to do another puja in the morning tomorrow, that is on Saturday, and we'll have to offer her Naivedyam and then do the main Arati, followed by Ratna Neeru Arati, and then you will have to shake her a little, and this is also called as Kadil Sodu in Kannada. So after doing that, you will have to dismantle the Kalash only after a couple of hours time. Okay, now before I explain to you on how this is done, let me also clear a few doubts for you all. Just in case if you want to keep Varma Lakshmi Kalash for more than one day, then you will either have to keep it for 3 days or 5 days or 9 days. So over here, if you are going to keep it for 3 days, then the third day happens to be a Sunday, which is day after tomorrow, and that happens to be a Hunnime. So again, you are not supposed to dismantle the Kalash. And if you are going to keep it for 5 days, it is going to come on Tuesday again. Again for Tuesdays, we are not supposed to dismantle the Kalash. Now the only option that is left for this time is 9 days. That is the minimum amount of days that you will have to keep the Kalash this time. So this happens to be next Saturday. So if you are not going to dismantle the Kalash tomorrow, then please do not do so until the next Saturday. Okay. So now that we have understood on when to dismantle the Kalash, let me just show you on how to make this Ratna Neeru Arati and how to offer it to Goddess Lakshmi and how to shake her and dismantle her. So to make Ratna Neeru, take a plate, take slightly bigger plate, okay, and pour some water to it, not too much water or not too less. And to this you have to put little bit of lime. In Kannada we also call it as sunna. Just a pinch of it, and then a pinch of turmeric, and just mix it. And it starts turning into red colored water. So this is the color that the water has to turn to. After that, you get these kind of small lamps. These lamps are actually used for ghee, okay, for lighting the ghee lamps. It is not mandatory that you have to use these. You can actually use anything else that you want also, any other 2 type of diyas. Just keep it inside like this. And because these are ghee lamps, I am just going to put ghee wigs inside, which I have already prepped like this. And there are a couple of videos in which I have shown on how to prepare ghee wicks like this. And just in case if you have taken ghee lamps, then just pour some extra ghee in case if there is space inside the lamp or the diya. Just light the diyas, keep a flower and keep some turmeric and kumkum. And now we are ready to do Ratna Neeru Aarati. Now to do Ratna Neeru Aarati, just take this and do Aarati like this 3 times. And then take your left thumb, okay, dip it in water, the red water, do like this for the flame and keep it on our forehead. Now we will have to do this 3 times. And this completes Ratna Neeru Aarati. So after doing this Ratna Neeru Aarati, keep the lamps aside and just take the water outside your main door, okay? So just in case outside the main door, if you have got one more door which is made of steel or iron doors and all, you will have to throw this water outside the door. Throw it in the sense it is not just like, throw it from a big distance. You will have to pour it very close to the ground in a straight line, just parallel to the threshold. And that will complete Ratna Neeru Aarati. So whoever is going to enter your house, they will have to cross this line of Ratna Neeru and only then they will have to enter into your house. Now after doing Ratna Aarati, all you need to do is just shake the kalash, okay? You can either move the coconut or you can shake the entire Devi a little and you can leave it, and after a couple of hours you can dismantle the kalash. So this kind of Ratna Neeru Aarati is very, very popular in South India because it is not only used for removing the bad eyes or the bad vision, like we call it also as a buri nazar. So it is not only used to remove this kind of buri nazar for god and goddess, but it is also used for babies and small children. So every time you are going to bring a baby into your house, you can always do this kind of a Ratna Neeru Aarati and keep this kind of a water, red water on the forehead, just like what I have shown even for the babies, and then enter the baby inside the house. So that will make sure that there is no buri nazar or anything happening for the baby. And not just that, in case if you have purchased a new god or a goddess idol and it is the first time you are going to bring the idol into your house, place that idol in a plate filled with rice before you enter inside the main door, and ask a lady in your house to do this kind of an aarati for the idol even before you enter into the house. So once this kind of an aarati is done, then keep your right leg inside the house first and then enter into the house carrying that idol in your hand. So these are the rituals which are associated with Ratna Neeru Aarati. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.